Two major updates on Webparts in SharePoint. That is what this video is about. My name is Paul Keizers. I help businesses with SharePoint, Microsoft Teams and Copilot for a living. That's why you can be sure that after watching this video you will know everything about these two Webparts. And I got a secret at the end. So stay tuned. If you want to know more about my email list, you can click below in the comments. And you can check it there. Let's dive into it. So I already opened SharePoint here. And as you can see, it's just the default intranet. We are going to talk about Webparts that are new or updated. In this video, I will show you how to do that. So we're first going to edit. So in the edit, you see that we have a hero Webpart here. In this hero Webpart, you had a few solutions. You could choose tiles or layers, but there's a new one and that's called carousel. So if I click on that, you will see that it immediately changes to carousel. So I didn't publish it yet, so that's fine. What we can do here is we can go to the settings of this Webpart. Because this is fully new, you can select some items. So you see that it's build up of slides. So it's not news or anything, it are slides. And you can let them autoplay or add a slide, for example. In this case, I will add a slide and add image or web link. So I'm going to select an image. And we are going to select San Francisco Tower, at least that's what I think it is. And as you can see, we can still adjust the slide. So here you see the image overlay. So we can say, okay, we want a different image overlay. And because there's no text yet, you cannot see it, but you get the picture. So what I will do is, let's put first a topic, demo of carousel, and we put here a nice thing and some text. So we have it complete. Also, we will add a link, and from a link, and here we are going to say https kbworks.au. Doesn't matter actually for this demo. And we can add some accessibility text. So picture of San Francisco Bridge. You get the point. So you can make it a decorative, so then they see only that it's a picture or it's not taken in the accessibility. Or you can just give it the accessibility text, which I would prefer. I can also change the call to action. So go to website. It's 40 characters. And now we can change the text from left to right. And now we can see some more if we go for the different overlays. We can do this. So it all depends on what you want. Now, if we are ready, we are going to republish this. And now that it's republished, you see the slider at the bottom and you see the pause button here as well. So you have several sliders here. And this is how this new or updated Webpart actually works, because it's the hero Webpart. Hold on. If you like this video so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me because others see this as well. At this moment, 90% of viewers are not subscribed. So please subscribe and let's continue with the video. But there's more. So here we go. We go back to edit and we are going to edit this page. So I'm going to add a section, and here's a big one that is coming, but not available yet, so I'm not going. I cannot show it to you directly. But what we can do is add a web part, and what we are going to add is the editorial guard. This is a new one, and also very important, or at least I think it could be refreshing for your internet. So you directly get the options. So this is the options, the edit properties. They will turn up right. So here you can change what you want to see. So color block or split, and let's choose for the image overlay. You see there's already some text. We can align it left, center, or right. We keep it left, and we can say where it's positioned. So if it's on the top or not. So I'm going to do it like this. Then we can select, instead of a picture, we can also say, okay, we want the color of the intranet, which of course is not that beautiful. I would recommend to add an image. So I'm going to select stock images, and let's just take a nice picture. And as you can see, it's now added to this editorial card. Here it's still loading, and of course we can adjust it with advanced settings. We got some cropping, filtering, and focal point. So where is the focal point? Where do you want to have it focus on? So I want to have it focused on this. Then we can save it. Save, and now you will see that that is the focal point. Then we can select the overlay. We can select white or black, and then we can adjust the overlay. So that's really nice. And of course we can select what we want. Do we want to have a button, an icon, so like this, or do we want to have text, or entire card? So if people click on it, the entire card goes to a URL. So here I go to button, because I think that's, for now it's fine. https. No, it already says that. kbworks.eu, and go to website, and we can of course again set the accessibility. That's editorial card. Again, the mark decorative. We leave it like this. So this is how we can do it. And as you see, there is still some text, so we can add more text. We can even add as much as we want here. So I think there is no limit on that, at least not that I've seen. And you see that the web part is growing, and so on. Here we go. We'll make it a bit smaller again. Then we can describe the story, describe demo, and we can set editorial card demo and the top, so a category. If we are ready, we can directly republish it. So now we have our two new web parts in place. They are working directly. And of course, these are two web parts, and I promised you that I would tell you about something new that is coming this month. At least that's what Microsoft told us. That's the flexible grid. And what this means is that you will have a section where you can put on web parts, and you can pull them out and in, and you can layer them. And to be honest, this is like WordPress on steroids for SharePoint. So I'm really curious when it's coming out. If it's coming out, I will make a movie. I'm testing it right now for Microsoft. I already saw some things that are amazing. And you can also widen the sections and make them smaller. So you got full control, which is basically even better than Elementor of WordPress, for example, which is used a lot on the websites with WordPress. So that's what I wanted to show you. If you want to know more about SharePoint, you can click here and I will see you next time. All right, bye-bye.